Hi Brainbox, welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. We will be continuing our topic about prepositions in this video. Before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Prepositions typically occur before a noun phrase and pronouns. Together, the preposition and the noun phrase constitute a prepositional phrase. On trial, by accident, without delay, these are examples of prepositional phrases. To find them, simply look for the preposition, the object, and any words that modify it. Some prepositions are made up of more than one word, called compound prepositions. Examples are as well as, in front of, alongside of. All right. To test whether you understood the topic, let us answer the following exercise. Identify the prepositional phrase that is used in the sentence. For number 1, around this time of the year, many people are already going to vacations with their loved ones. Identify the prepositional phrase that is used in the sentence. Time is up. The prepositional phrase for number 1 is around this time of the year. For number 2, too many things lie beneath the surface of our ocean. Identify the prepositional phrase that is used in the sentence. Time is up. The prepositional phrase for number 2 is beneath the surface. For number 3, many people believe that there is a sacred place in between life and death. Identify the prepositional phrase that is used in the sentence. Time is up. The prepositional phrase for number 3 is in between. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.